May word update tayo mga kapatid. Tita ni Maymay claiming na may word forever. Pakinggan muna natin siya bago tayo magbigay ng komento.
Ang dami pa. I wish and I pray that Mayward will be together till the end. Yes, of course. Hanggat may buhay. Sabay, hanggat may hininga, Mayward is forever till the end. Kahit na magkahiwalay sila ng ng isang lugar katulad ng nandito siya sa Camiguin o kaya nandun naman si Edward sa kanilang probinsya. Saan tayo probinsya ni Edward? Sa ano ba yun?
Laon
Nandito
po,
sa dulo ng
tita.
Dilaban. Pero sa isip at sa puso, sila ay magkasama forever. Char! Kung ano-ano nahuhugot ko no? Kung ano-ano nahuhugot ko ayan.
So yan po tita mismo ni Maymay ang nakapagsabi na may word forever. So wala naman akong doubt doon kasi mismo kay Edward ay malaki ang trust ko sa kanya. Like para bang ang tingin ko kasi kay Edward mayroon siyang one word, yung man na talagang maprinsipyong tao na may isang salita. Kaya no doubt ako dyan. Dahil dyan I will add this clip na ang tagal na po nito, sobrang tagal na ng video clip na ito, but then ito yung pinangkukuhanan ko ng yung lakas ng loob. What I mean is, dito ako naniwala kay Edward, even in from PBB, kahit na sabihin ng iba na syempre normal lang na mag-admire ka ng what I mean is mag-admire ka ng faces and beauty and intelligence, but then it's a different thing when it comes to yung usapang pagmamahal, usapang pag-ibig. Kaya if you were to ask me, kasi hanggang ngayon wala namang talagang na-link kay Edward na talagang claiming na Edward is hers, or like kasintahan niya si Edward, or like Edward is courting her, some kind of like that. And may na-link before, but then kung todo yung sabi ni Mema na I trust you, alam kong hindi nangyari yan at hindi mo ginawa yan. So yan yung pinanghawakan ko kahit sabihin ng iba na may doubt na sila about kay Edward. Kaya eto ang clip for you to watch, for you to remind yourself how authentic Edward is to Maymay, and why yung pamilya ni Maymay ay talagang 100% ang paniniwala kay Edward sa likod ng mga issues na lumabas. And here it is. Watch it, guys.
May, it's me. I just want to say to you, daw nagsabi na silang pinaka-biggest fan mo. I just want to tell you na they're all wrong, because I'm your biggest fan. I've been your fan since day one. When I was in PBB, I knew you're gonna win from the first time I met you. And I'm happy to see your dreams coming true right now with this concert. The dream, actually probably the happiest guy in the world, that I'm experiencing it with you at the concert. You're so passionate about everything you're doing. You're so happy all the time. You love your family, you love all your friends. And that's why everyone loves you right back.
Yung ibig ko po sabihin, sir, lahat naman po tayo papunta dun eh. Kapag nakakita po ako ng castle,
talaga?
o yung maganda yung pinuntahan namin, o yung lugar, sabi ko, sarap sila kasalin dito, ganun.
Nasabi mo, ikaw na, andito ka naman sa harap ko.
For me, simple lang. Kailan?
Ano yung sinabi sa'yo para kiligin ka?
First time po na may nag-surprise sa akin na hindi ko po alam talaga na sinusurprise niya ako. Wala akong medyo clue.
Sino to?
Ikaw!
ikaw, first time nung sobra, nung
Ika.
pumayag yung lola ni Maymay na liligawan ka.
So, yan po yung video na kung saan talagang napapalaban ako na merong Mayward, na talagang naniniwala akong may and Edward thing, na talagang i-test man sila ng panahon. Ewan ko ba kung bakit ang laki ng tiwala ko kay Edward para kay Maymay. Ang Mayward Flyers po ay may ginagawang charity at may mga beneficiaries na sila at nakalinya para sa selebrasyon ng kapanganakan ni Edward Barber para sa kanyang birthday, on his 21st birthday. Narito po ang kanilang gagawin. Meron po silang, in celebration, basahin ko po muna ha. In celebration of Edward's 21st birthday, we will be having another Share a Blessing project. Ayan, may proyekto po sila para po ito sa pag-celebrate ng birthday ni Edward. They're going to share their blessings as to how, andito po, destinations and beneficiaries are Bukal ng Kapayapaan, home for the special abandoned children in Cavite. We don't know kung ano ang mga packages na ibibigay nila dito. And meron silang food packs distribution. Ito po ang mga areas na bibigyan nila ng food packs. Pasig, Negros, and Kidapawan City. Ayan po. Ayan po ay gagawin nila para sa celebration ng birthday ng pinakamamahal nilang si Edward John Barber. Dahil dito, meron po silang comment na natanggap. Ang sabi dito, ito ba yung kay Colin 21 Lewis? Ito ang sa Mayward HAJ? Or di bo dito dong binata na talaga? Hehehe. Yan po ang comment ng thread na yan. Kaya, congratulations, Edwards. People are really happy about you and how you grow as an artist, as performer, and as as a host. Kaya maraming naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, maraming naniniwala sa abilities mo. That is why people are still supporting you kahit na sa dami-dami ng mga issues na gustong ibato sa iyo ng mga haters at ng mga bashers mo. That's why patuloy lang, Edward John Barber, sa mga pinaglalaban mo sa buhay, and for sure, marami ang susuporta sa'yo. It's the same thing with Maymay and Trata. I know I've watched one little video saying that there are movies na nakalinya for Maymay, and then there's meron dong nilulutong isang show para kay Maymay. So whatever that may be, we can't wait to have it and to watch it and to see it with our own naked eye. And we are praying for you both more success in life, and yes, reach for your stars, Mayward, and shine bright like a diamond in the sky, and show the whole world what you've got and what you can do with your talents and your abilities, at kung ano ang ma-reach nyo using these talents in a very wise way. And yes, wag lang kalimutan, keep your feet on the ground and stay focused. Don't get affected with your bashers and haters. They won't stop, and they will never stop. So just keep going, fight for it, and work for it. We are here on the sideways, on the sidelines, on your front, on your back, on your side to side, to watch you and to support you. Alexander Lexter Jules saying, laban lang, Mayward.
Ano pa bang narinig natin kay Maymay? Yun, buong taon na to hanggang sa December, gagawa pa siya ng isa pang single or album. Single. Tapos, yun, may project siya sa TV, may isang pelikula siya. So yun ang mga abangan natin sa kanya.